Hello and welcome to another session of Mindful Data Mine. In today's session, we will be discussing about how we can create our own format in SAS. We will be discussing about how we can create a character format, a numeric format, and a picture format. A picture format is something like the dollar format in which we are getting dollar followed by the amount. Okay, so that kind of format is known as a picture format. So without wasting any further time, let's start with the practical. So to start with the formats, I'll first create a data set. Okay, let's assume we are creating a data set A in which I'll use data of some employees. Okay, and I would have ID, name, sex, and per hour salary maybe. Okay, my sex would be dollar and name would be $2. Now next thing is we need to pass the data. Here I'll use ID 1, A, male, M for male, and salary, let's assume $52, sorry, 52 euros per hour. Okay, or maybe 52.56. Then in the second record, we have this name B, a female, 75.65. Then there is a third employee C, sex is unknown, and I'll pass the value here, maybe 98.12. Now what I'll do is I'll run this, okay, and see the data set first. So we are getting the records 1 to 3, name as ABC, sexes MF and blank. These are the salaries. Okay, now if I use the default format which is available in SAS, the Euro format, so it looks something like this. Okay, so if I use this format, so in SAS it is represented by E. Okay, instead of E, my requirement is I want to represent it by this euro symbol. So what we can do is simply I'll create a format for that known as picture format. Okay, now to create a picture format in SAS, we need to use a proc known as Proc Format. Okay, and in the end we need to use run. Now here to create a picture format, we'll need to use picture followed by the format name. Let's assume we'll use the format name as EUR because euro is already available, and then we will use low to high. That means when you say low, any low number minus 99, minus 99,999, or anything low which you can think of. And when you say high, any high number, maybe 10,000, 10 lakh, etc. you can consider. All these are in high. And here I'll use 00 dot, sorry, comma 000 comma 000 comma 000 comma 009 dot 99. So the format will work fine for up to these many character length and the two decimal places, which is of 99. Apart from this, this will be a multiplier of 100. Okay, and we need to prefix this euro. We need to prefix the euro symbol. So we'll add a prefix to it. Okay, and now in the end I'll use semicolon. Now when I'll run this, it says EUR has been outputted, so our format is ready. Now if I'll copy the same data step again and create a new data set B, maybe this time I'll just use set A, format salary to EUR dot, and I'll run it, so I should be able to see euro. See, it's euro 52.56, 75.65, 98.12. This is how you can create a picture format. Now suppose we have a requirement that instead of M we should get male, instead of F we should get female, and if there is nothing or anything else apart from M or F, it should be unknown. To create this kind of format, so this is a character M and F, so we can create a character format for that. Okay, we can do so by using proc format again. So we in one proc format we can have multiple formats creation. Okay, so here only I'll create another format. I'll use value this time because this is not a picture format, and in value I'll mention maybe SX. Since this is a character format, so we need to have dollar in front of it so that SAS knows this is a character format. Then I'll pass the values M equals to male, F equals to female, and for all others it should be unknown. Okay, similarly, let's assume we have a group for all the salaries, assuming that if my salary is in the bracket of, let's say, 0 to 20, it should be group 1. If it is 21 to 40, it should be group 2. If it is 41 to 60, should be group 3. If it is 61 to 80, should be group 4. If it is 81 to 100, should be group 5, and anything above 100 should be group 6. So in case if we want to create a format like this, so this is a numeric value, okay, and we are applying it on salary, so we can create a numeric format for this. I'll use value again, and now this time I'll use maybe salary as my format name, and here I'll pass the range. I'll use this same range, okay, and I'll just pass it here, and here I will use equal to, okay. Since when we write group it is character, so we'll have to pass it in either double or single quotes. So I'll use group 1, group 2, group 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now if I'll run it, my three different formats should be created. If you see, euro already exists, SX has been output, salary has been output, and if I now use it on sex, if I use dollar $SX format, and for salary If I use salary format, I should get, in place of 52.56, I should get group number 3. For 75, I should get group number 4. And for 98, I should get group number 5. Similarly, for M, I should get male. For F, I should get female. And for blank, I should get unknown. Let's run and see if we are getting the expected result or not. See, in sex, we are getting male, female, and unknown. It's group 3, 4, and 5. I'll do one more thing just to explain you about the high. So I'll just change it to maybe 500. Okay, I'll run it again. And now this time my group should be group 6, because anything above 101 or equal to 101 should be in group 6. Group 6. So we are getting run here. It's because we haven't put a semicolon in the end. Okay. So now if I'll run it, I should get group 6. So this is how we can create a numeric character or a picture format in SAS. Do let me know in comment section if you have any queries related to how we can create format in SAS. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.